Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a DollarTree haul to share with you. I found lots of fun finds and I can't wait to share them. So let's just jump right in. I did get two big boxes of these big value tissues and they're the 175 count in these boxes. Picked up two of those. I had to have some more sandwich bags for Connor's lunches, and this is the Fresh storage sandwich bags. These are the faux top ones. I didn't have the zippers, but that's alright because you do get 150 bags for $1.25, so totally worth it. It was a good deal. And for Oscar we picked up the Canine Carryouts bacon flavor, and they're just little bacon strips. A quick camera angle change. I'm going to share with you the rest of the haul, which is mostly beauty related and some school items. First off, in the health and beauty aisle, I picked up one of these bath sponges. It's in a really pretty teal color, and it's one of their larger sponges or loofahs they actually had that day. A repeat purchase, cotton balls from the Assured brand. I love these cotton balls. They're nice. I use them for toner, the witch hazel. I use them for nail polish removal. Lots of beauty kind of things. Sometimes I even use them, put some makeup remover on them and use them to clean lashes. Yeah, so lots of different beauty related things. Oh, picked up another package of I needed to get another package of these for Connor, and it's the Assured brand safety swabs, 80 count, and these are safer for children. I just don't like using regular Q-tips on him, and they had these in lots of different colors, and these are obviously blue, but they had like pink and white, and sometimes they have purple. Maybe some other colors as well. I think I've seen green there and yellow possibly. I needed a deodorant, and they did not have the Secret Powder Fresh yesterday, so I opted to get the Swab Tropical Paradise deodorant, which smells really nice. If you like tropical kind of coconutty kind of scent, you'll probably really like this. Yeah, I love the scent of this, so pick this one. And I also wanted a new hairbrush when we went, so I just picked up this cushion brush in this beautiful purple metallic shade. So pretty. They had these in a lot of different styles. So they had the cushion brush, they had like the air vented kind of brushes, and they had a paddle brush of this purple style here. And I like each of the bristles are topped with a little purple plastic protector. Before getting into the rest of the beauty items, I did see a couple neat finds for Connor in regards to school. Just a couple good deals, so I wanted to share those now. They have these Jot scissors for kids, 2-pack scissors, ages 4+. I'm starting to piece together stuff for the next school year, and $1.25 for 2 pairs of scissors is a really good deal actually. And I've never had any issues with the Jot brand scissors. I've bought them several times. So they only had this one that had the black handle, so I don't know if they have any other additional colors or anything. They literally was just this one pack by itself. But two scissors for $1.25, like I said, you can't beat that. So I'll grab those, and they feel heavy too. Not like even in the packaging, like they don't feel flimsy. They have like hard plastic handles with what looks to be like a silicone or rubber kind of grip. So really nice. And then they had a bunch of different cups. These cups are BPA free. They had a bunch of different ones to choose from. This one obviously is Minecraft. It is blue and green. The lid opens like this. Gotta press down kind of hard to get it to shut back. but I think pretty nice for $1.25. They had Harry Potter cups. They had these. Minecraft, they had Avengers. They had like Bluey and Spider-Man. They had a bunch of different style cups. So I got this water bottle to put back for his school next year. So yeah, it's just got some creepers on there, little woodsy area scene, and it's got an ocelot just seen in the background there too. But cute. It's nice that both sides are printed. Now moving on to the rest of the beauty item. So I did get another one of these luxury nail polish remover with the convenient pump, and it's the 100% acetone one. I only use the acetone to nail stamp with. Acetone is what you clean your plates with, and I use acetone sometimes to clean up around my cuticles because it's quick. But it will dry your nails out, it will dry your skin out, it will dry your cuticles out. So long-term use for me is a no-go on the nails, but for stamping I need acetone. So $1.25 for 8 fluid ounces in a convenient pump bottle is a really good deal. They also have non-acetone polish remover and a couple different variations of polish removers at the Dollar Tree. I do not like the regular nail polish remover. It does not work for me, but the acetone is pretty good. Now these are all repurchases. Picked up the LaColors nail treatment, the base and top coat, and I use this every manicure. This is a really nice base coat. I do not like it as a top coat. Do not recommend it as a top coat. You can see my full manicure using only Dollar Tree products linked in the cards, so check that out. But I go in depth more on there. But this base coat is really nice. It primes and protects your nails, and it dries with a high gloss finish, which all those are true. It is a 7-free formula. This is a cruelty-free brand, and you can't go wrong with $1.25 for your base coat. It actually works. Now from Diamond Cosmetics, I picked up another Miracle Nail, which is a nail hardener. I don't use nail hardener all the time, but when I do, this is my go-to one. I do like a strengthener, but lately this one's been working really nicely for my nails, and I already used up a bottle, so I picked up another one. So every single time I do my nails, I do the Miracle Nail. I do a growth serum, the Miracle Nail base coat, and then when I am done, this is the top coat I use every single time. I've used this over a year now, consistently, and being the only top coat I use, and it's fantastic. So also from Diamond Cosmetics is the Super Dry Quick Dry Top Coat, and it says this is a new improved formula. It is in a different color packaging. This dries super fast, seconds, less than a minute, and your nails are completely dry. Well, the top coat is dry. Can't speak for what's underneath unless you let that dry too, but fantastic top coat. This is also comparable to the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat, which is like $7. This is $1.25. Works great with the nail art, stamping, and just regular use in general. Fantastic. Very exciting finds because I can't wait to use them in a video. This one is, I love body creams and hand creams and stuff like that. And yesterday they had this Honey Sunflower Scented Body Cream. It's a 5.1 fluid ounces. It's really nice packaging, super cute. I love the sunflowers. Those are my favorite flowers. Here's a list of ingredients. And it smells nice, and it is a thick cream, so cannot wait to try this out after a shower. At my Dollar Tree, they had the body cream in this scent, and they had a cream bath, and they also had bath salts in the Honey Sunflower. I'm not sure if there was anything else to that line, but that's what was at my Dollar Tree. I did get a new pair of Ioni 3D Faux Mink Lashes, and these are in Uptown. But they have a clear band. These are so easy to apply, lightweight, they look fantastic. No weird glare or plastic look from these lashes. They are a brown black medium light with clear band, and I think these are going to pair really nice with the eyeshadows that I picked to do a tutorial on. And it says these are 2-in-1, strip lash or cut into individual lashes. I love this spiky look. I'm going to wear these as a full lash. So, super cute packaging always for Ioni. And then from LaColors, they had, I think, 3 different collections at my DollarTree. They had some boba tea stuff, they had Tropical Bloom, and they had a mod, something like that collection. But these are the only 2 items that I saw that I was actually interested. They had some new mascaras, they had blushes, eyeshadows, they had lip products, they had lip balms, and they had some new eyeliners and some colorful mascaras too. But like I said, I have a ton of LaColors stuff, so I only chose a couple things to go with what I already own and do a full LaColors look. But this is the LaColors Tropical Bloom eyeshadow quad, and this is Away We Go. And I thought this one was really pretty because you get a light shimmery pink that can work for the lid, inner corner, or brow. You get the shimmery peach, a mauve shade there for crease, transition, lower lash line, whatever you choose to do with it. You can use it on your lid if you wanted. And you have a dark coffee brown there at the end. And it's matte, so outer corner, lower lash line, that kind of thing. Very, very beautiful shades in this quad. And then this beautiful coral peachy blush, and it's in Gazing. They had a couple different shades of this blush, or well, this line of blushes. And of course I got the coral blush because that's what I'm kind of gravitate towards, and it's a little bit of a darker shade of coral as well. It's really pretty. I will be doing videos on these items here, so stay tuned. If you've seen any other products in this video that you're curious about and want to know more, you definitely leave me a comment below and let me know that you'd like to review on a certain item, and I will definitely do it. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links, and I thank you guys so very much for watching.